FreeForm enables you to deploy an application with no dimension requirements. The open dimensional solution allows you to create an application with a cube that follows a dimension combination required by your organization. Service administrators can create FreeForm apps by importing an Essbase outline file or migration snapshot of a single Essbase cube from an on-premises deployment release 11.1.2.4 or later, creating a BSO hybrid cube in the application wizard, or creating a reporting or ASO cube in the application wizard. You can model and build your own hybrid BSO or ASO cubes while preserving the ability to leverage planning functionalities. I'll go through the process of importing an Essbase outline file and an Essbase migration snapshot of a single Essbase cube from an on-premises deployment. FreeForm is available in Cloud EPM Enterprise. A Cloud EPM instance allows you to deploy one FreeForm app. To deploy another FreeForm app, you must request another Cloud EPM instance or remove the current application. From the Cloud EPM Enterprise landing page, select FreeForm. The landing page is your starting point for creating a FreeForm app and for viewing overview videos that help you get started. I'll create a FreeForm app using an Essbase outline file. When you create a FreeForm app by importing an Essbase outline file or an LCM, the outline file or LCM can be stored locally or in the inbox. Because the OTL file name is assigned to the cube created for the FreeForm app, the file name must have 8 characters or less. For a complete list of import considerations when importing an Essbase outline file, see the Import Considerations for FreeForm Apps topic in the Administering and Working with FreeForm guide. You can also access the FreeForm Help Center. Review your selections. If necessary, return to the previous page to make changes. When ready to proceed, click Create. You can view process details of the FreeForm application import in the Job console. Here's an example. Dimension and member information is included on the Details page of the Process Outline job. I'll go to the Application console to take a look at the application definition, cubes, and dimensions. Here are the planning properties and statistics, such as the number of tasks, forms, and roles. Here's the cube I imported and the number of dimensions in the cube. Let's take a quick look at the cube details. Here's the cube name, cube type, dimensions, and the number of members in the cube. Here are the dimensions and members included in the outline file I imported. Like a custom or module-based planning business process, you can load data and create artifacts to help you analyze and work on your plans. Next, I'll create a FreeForm app using a snapshot of a single Essbase cube. Migrating a supported snapshot simplifies and automates the process of loading dimensions, creating substitution variables, loading calculation scripts, and loading data. Do not attempt to create FreeForm apps by migrating Essbase Lifecycle Management snapshots into a Cloud EPM environment. Migration is supported only for snapshots created from a previous FreeForm app. Review your selections and make modifications in the previous page if necessary. Then proceed with creating the application. Now let's take a look at the imported snapshot in the Application console. I imported the basic cube, which includes 5 dimensions. Add or edit dimensions and members here. You can load data and create artifacts. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.